back to Art with Miss Liso. So from now on, we're going to be doing Google Classroom and doing our lessons together. So while you see Miss Liso doing her artwork, you will do it at the same time. So I hope you like my new setup. This might be better. I'm sure it's better than the last time. And we have nice light coming in and you'll be able to work with Miss Liso. So this week, friends, we're going to continue doing working with our sculpture unit. So, and Alexandra Calder is our focus artist. So last week, we created our sculpture together with found materials. And if you remember our vocabulary word, found materials, what does that mean? Tell Miss Liso. So found materials are materials that you can find around your home or around your neighborhood that you could use to build your sculpture. And Miss Liso has her sculpture from last week. Today you're going to need your sculpture that you created. Now, if you don't have your sculpture anymore, you can also use a photograph. I know many of your families took beautiful pictures of your sculptures. I was so happy to see everybody's sculpture. They sent so many beautiful pictures and everybody did such a good job. So you could also use your photograph if you don't have your sculpture like Miss Liso. This week, we're going to do a critique of our own sculpture and review and analyze our own sculpture. What do you think that means when we analyze our own sculpture? What do you think that means? So, to analyze our own sculpture means to take a closer look at our own artwork and see what we like and what we don't like. And an easy way to do that, and Alexandra Calder did that too, is by drawing what you created. So you could take a look at your sculpture in a different way. So this week, that's what we will be doing. We will be drawing our sculpture. Miss Liso in Google Classroom put this sheet up for everybody to fill out. Now, you could either print this sheet out, use a pencil, and draw your sculpture. The first thing you're going to do is write your name and the date. You're going to draw here, and then your family can help you, or you could draw what materials did you use for your sculpture. For example, Miss Liso would write Play-Doh. You could draw a picture of Play-Doh if you want. And I used some clothing pins. So I would write that in my materials list. Yours might be a little bit different. So another way of filling this sheet out is by going on the computer, logging onto your account, and drawing right onto that Google sheet that Miss Liso has attached to the assignment. So if you're going to print it out, do that now. You're going to pause and print it out. Or actually, one more way of doing it is just taking a blank piece of paper, writing your name on top, drawing your sculpture, and writing what materials you use. And you could take a picture of that, families, and add it to your assignment. So if you don't have a pencil, or you're going to print this out, or you need a paper, pause this video and go get that now. Did you get it? Okay. Now for my friends who are going to use the computer, I'm going to show you how that looks like and how you can create your drawing on the computer using the Google Sheet that Miss Liso provided. Let's do that now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do when I go to Google Classroom is log on to Kindergarten Art with Miss Liso. Then the stream opens up, and this is where Miss Liso writes some messages for my friends. This is the video on how to upload your file. That's helpful. But your classwork would be up here, or in an iPad or tablet, it's down here. You click on classwork, and that is where you're going to see your assignment. Now, you're going to click on Sculpture Drawing Sheet. This is where we're going to be able to draw online. You're going to give that a second to open up. And there it is. Here, you're going to type in your name, could just replace that and type in your name. And this is where you would type in your class. Once you type in your class, it could be K201 or it could be K203, whatever it is, you would type in your class there with the regular keyboard. Now, to add your drawing, you're going to insert drawing, and you're just going to say new drawing. Now, this little drawing style pops up. Now you could draw with different ways. Now here are some different options for you. I like the scribble because it lets me draw freehand. So I'm going to click on that. Now you could see that you could just start drawing. Now to erase what you did, you click on the arrows and go back. Again, I'm going to click on the drawing. I'm going to click on scribble. And now to draw my drawing, I'm really going to observe. Now you're going to do this with Miss Lisa. I hope you're following along, whether it's with pencil and paper or if it's with this drawing sheet in the Google Classrooms. So we're going to start. I'm going to observe my drawing. I have some Play-Doh down here. And it kind of wraps around. I could change this later if I wanted. I could have made it red. Now I'm going to make it black again. I didn't like that. I'm going to go ahead and play with adding different ways of doing your sculpture. Oops. See, there we go. I think I had a big sculpture Play-Doh ball down there. Let's see if I can do a different, maybe I could color this in somehow. This is a text, we could add that. We could have also added a shape. So let me try doing a shape this time. Maybe I could do a circle shape. Line color, line weight. Let's see. There's that shape. And look, it gives you an option to make it bigger. I think that would be perfect for my Play-Doh. I think this is the fill color. Yep, and we're gonna go ahead and make it like that. I'm gonna make another little circle. Maybe here for my other Play-Doh. Kind of like that. Then I have a little bit more on the top. I'm gonna scribble again. Something like this, and it kind of attaches this way. Okay, and then we're going to say save and close. And look, it pops up right there. Now you could move it, I think, if you wanted to the center. There you go. So this would be the center button right here. So we're all learning. Miss Lisa's also learning. So the materials I used, again, if you wanted to add a drawing, you would go to Insert Drawing. But if you want to just type it in, Miss Lisa's going to say Play-Doh and pins. And then I would be finished with my assignment of the sculpture drawing. Again, friends, I'm here to help. If you have any questions, please contact me either through Dojo or inside this assignment. You can leave a comment for me and I'll get back to you. How did your drawing turn out, friends? I hope good. I will see you soon and thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Bye, my friends.